Oh my goodness, guys, this is my biggest ever giveaway. Hi, my loves. You are not reading incorrect. The title of this video, I'm totally giving away an Hermes bag. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I've been kind of hinting that there's going to be a major giveaway happening, and it is a little bit late because originally it was supposed to be in September, but the prize got even better. I am so excited for the potential winner. Like, it makes me so happy that I can give back to you guys, my family, just the people that support me. And you know what? Sometimes gifts are often best when you kind of don't expect it. So no, it's not my 300K milestone, or there's no huge milestone to celebrate. But yes, there's going to be an Hermes bag, which I'm going to reveal soon what one lucky person will be getting, and that actually is going to be a second prize too. You guys know on my community post, I asked you guys, do you prefer like one big prize or a couple of small prizes? And I think 89% of you voted an Hermes bag. The reason why this giveaway got even bigger and better was, okay, let me just tell you about what the first prize is. Drum roll, the first prize winner is actually going to get, now I'm showing you mine and I'll explain why. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, guys, it is going to be an Hermes Herbag zip. Now, I'm showing you mine because originally I was actually hunting for a really great vintage version. And I was pretty disappointed actually, because I had one, lined up, and then the sale kind of fell through. Anyway, you guys know that I work with Eclair Atelier. Now, if you haven't heard of Eclair Atelier before, they are a Singaporean-based consignment / reseller company, and I have gotten 3 of my bags from them. Like, as much as I love buying new, I also love buying from the pre-loved market or the resale market if I'm really wanting something specific. Anyway, I've been working with Eclair for a couple of years, and I was telling him about what I was planning and everything. And then he goes, Mel, do you want me to look for something for you? And I'm like, yeah, actually, that would be really good. So what I actually did, so this giveaway actually is with Eclair as I work with them. But what I did is, because I've been working with them for a couple of years, instead of me getting, I've been really open about this, that I do work with them, like getting my sort of, remuneration, I wanted to put that towards something huge for you guys. We are definitely going through really trying times at the moment. Melbourne, especially, us Melburnians, wow, we've been in lockdown for forever, like #1 most locked down city in the world. Anyway, I'm just so excited. You have to excuse me. I'm a bit all over the place because I cannot believe what he got. Okay, so I'm going to put the unboxing now and I'm going to talk through it. So the first prize winner is actually going to get a brand new, never been worn Herbag zip 31, because it measures 31 centimeters across, but is in the beautiful Magnolia color with Dune. Dune is like similar to gold interior, and it is the special bicolor version. Guys, this is really hard to get. So for those of you that are not familiar with the Herbag, if you're thinking this looks like the Kelly, absolutely. It's often referred to as like the sister of the Kelly or the cousin of the Kelly bag because it has the features of the Kelly. And the only difference is the body of the bag is in canvas, but all the trimmings like, the handle, this bit here, the shoulder strap is all in leather. So let me just show you mine, because mine is actually the vintage version. So if I turn it at the back, Mine has a pocket, but it doesn't have the zip. So this one is the brand new, edition where it's got the zip pocket, which makes it really easy access if you wanted to grab your phone or things that you need easy access to. Because, if you want to open the bag up, you've got to open it up this way, like this. And the reason why I'm so excited about this particular one, a lot of people don't know a special feature of the Herbag. Even though the Herbag is priced, much cheaper than its sister, the Kelly, it is actually a hard bag to get. Sometimes it goes online, but not that often, and often there is a waiting list for it. But anyway, the version that we managed to source for this giveaway is Magnolia on the outside, and I love Magnolia. You guys know I brought it down as well. I own a Magnolia Birkin 25, and this is the most beautiful pop of color. But people don't realize that with the Herbag, see this rod here? You can actually take this out, and the body of the bag, you can actually flip inside out. So I'm going to show a picture of the inside of the bag. The inside of this bag is in a beautiful color called Dune. It's got a Dune canvas interior. And if you flip the bag around, it kind of looks like my Goldie. It's very similar size. So this is my Kelly 32. It will look like a Goldie. So if you look at the bag, when you purchase it, it's in a retourné shape. So it's more relaxed, it doesn't have the stitching. But when you flip it inside out, it essentially looks like this, but the newer version has the zip pocket. And not only that, it's even better than the vintage version because it actually comes with an additional pouch as well. I cannot believe that he found this because Herbags are pretty hard to get. And this one is in a special bicolor. For everyone that may not love pink, you have the option of flipping it inside out and having a beautiful neutral colored handbag. But if you're a pink lover and you're a neutral lover, it's like double the bonus. This is also to celebrate. They just opened one of the most gorgeous stores in Singapore. It's at 313 Somerset, very near Orchard Road. Their store is to die for. So I love working with Eclair. If you are ever looking to buy an Hermes Birkin or Kelly, but you don't want to go through the whole Hermes games, I highly recommend them. They're just fabulous to deal with. And I just think it's so good to work with someone that really understands how much I care for my family. And he was able to source something for me. And then also it was both of us put in together to make this giveaway, international giveaway, bigger and better. So that's the first prize, guys. One lucky winner will get a brand new Herbag zip, and it's essentially like a 2-in-1. And this bag is worth almost 4,000 Australian dollars. But it gets better because originally I was only going to do one prize, but since we've kind of partnered up together and put both our kind of funds into it, the second prize winner, I know you guys love YSL as well. I wanted to give another one of you a chance to win one of my favorite SLGs, which is the YSL card holder. So the second prize winner gets to pick a YSL card holder in their choice of either black or caramel or gray, whatever's available. But just in case, I always like to give options. If you don't want that, you can either pick the card holder in your choice of color or $350 Australian cash. And those are the prizes. So let me tell you the giveaway instructions. I've kept it really easy as usual. So first off, just make sure you're a subscriber of my channel and then click notifications, but click all. Secondly, give this video a big thumbs up. And third, comment something that you're grateful for. I often find in life, sometimes we just need to verbalize or even write down, even though times are tough, there's always something to be grateful for. And don't forget to leave your email or IG username so it's easier for me to contact you if you do win. Then go over to my Instagram, go to this post and make sure you follow me and follow Eclair Atelier. Like the post, tag a friend. You can tag up to 6 to increase your chances, and then just reshare the post on your stories with Mim Eclair Hermes giveaway. So you do need to complete YouTube and Instagram for your entries to be valid. And that is it. So the giveaway is open now. It is open internationally. Everyone can enter for this. I will leave all the instructions down below, but it's just super easy. And then the giveaway will end in 3 weeks. And what I will do is I will pin the winners to this video and also update it in the Instagram post. So everyone will know when the giveaway ends and who the winners are. Now just be really careful of any scam accounts because I will never ask you for your credit card details, guys. So make sure never give those details out. And that is it for this massive giveaway. I'm really hoping we hit 300K soon because if we hit 300K soon, I'll just do another one. I just think the more you give, I don't know, when I give back to you guys, I just feel so happy. So enter away. Good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your love and support of my channel. It enables me to do things like this and I am so grateful for you. So take care, stay safe, and I will see you really soon in my next video, which is actually my birthday unboxings. Bye guys.